Ali from the UK.
I have a question. Once you said that it was not permissible to play video games like PUBG because of links to violent tendencies that it had with the player. However, from my understanding, studies have shown that there is no link between playing video games such as PUBG and having violent thoughts. Therefore, if this is scientifically proven, is it still haram to play these games? Thank you.
Oh, barakallah fiqh. Ali from the UK says that you said that PUBG and other Fortnites and other games promote violence, but studies prove that they do not promote violence. Akhi, it's been on my mind to download this game and play it for some time just to know exactly what it is, because I'm completely oblivious when it comes to video games. I hate them. I've never tried them. Subhanallah, it's something psychological, maybe, I don't know. And until now, I could not. I know that this is one of the reasons that scholars say that playing it is not permissible. Among the other reasons, it's addictive. People say 6 to 8 hours playing them. It makes them engaged with others, disbelievers, relationships, mixed gendering, free mixing, because it's most of it done online. And some of it includes betting. And one of the games, I think it was PUBG, or another game, where they had a idol. To pass a stage, you had to go and prostrate and give sacrifice to the idol, and then you move on to the following level. And that caused a lot of problem in the Muslim world, and eventually they removed it. But it shows you that these guys, all what they want is money, and they don't have your best of interest in mind. So I believe that it does increase the amount of hostility and violence in children, among other things. So I would not say that it is halal, even if the studies prove otherwise. I would say that's a great waste of time of the Muslim, that his feet, as the Prophet said, would not be moved on the Day of Judgment until he is asked about his youth, where he had spent it, his time, where it was wasted, his knowledge, what did he do with it, and his wealth, where he gained it and where he spent it in. Wajid says, can we play video games? My brother plays video games constantly and is losing his grades and does not pray on time. How to make him quit? Well, Wajid, this is not your job, it's your father's job. How to make him quit? Unplug his video console and take it away. Video games can be halal, can be haram. Using this pen can be halal if I'm writing your questions, and can be haram if I'm writing a love letter to someone who is a non-mahram. So you can't brush it with, paint it with the same brush. You have to look into it. A video game that leads to haram is haram. This goes without saying. So if it distracts you from praying on time, it is totally haram. If it distracts you from doing what's mandatory upon you, such as studying and doing well at school, it becomes haram. If it becomes addictive and you can't live or breathe without it, it becomes haram. Let alone if it had women, if it had music, if it had haram scenes, if you are representing the US Army killing Muslims, if there's excessive violence, if there is sorcery or bringing life to the dead, etc. This goes without saying, it's haram. So what kind of video games can we play, Sheikh? You can play tennis. You can play go-karting and racing like Mario and the Nintendo stuff, Luigi, I think is his name. It's things that are halal. Yeah, this is okay. But when it becomes addictive and it makes you flunk your school and miss your salat, this is totally prohibited. Your father simply unplugs the machine and throws it in the dustbin, or makes it as an incentive for your brother to pray on time and to do well in his homework and school. Then we will allow him an hour a week. Then this might be okay.